Hi family, welcome back again to the channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome guys. So today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys a super DIY hair mask that is going to restore back your lost moisture and strengthen your hair. This hair mask is packed with a whole lot of amazing benefits that will moisturize and condition your hair, strengthen your hair roots, and also makes it easy for you to manage your hair guys. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Today I'm going to be using this mask on my daughter's hair. Anyone can use this hair mask because it is super hydrating and is super moisturizing. So guys, we are going to be needing avocado. Avocado is so amazing because the fat and nutrients found in avocado can help nourish the hair and strengthen the hair strands. It boosts shine and stimulates growth. Avocado is very great source of biotin. It is a great source of vitamins, minerals, fat, a whole lot of goodness guys. So the other ingredients is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is amazing for the hair as well. Mayonnaise adds shine and strengthens hair from the root to the tip, and also the eggs help in strengthening the hair follicles. Alright family, so the next ingredient is honey. Honey has both an emollient and humectant properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. Honey sees moisture to the hair, keeping it conditioned and also reduce break. I love honey guys. So we are going to also be adding oil guys. You can use any oil such as olive oil or avocado oil. I'm going to be using my oil mist. I'll be leaving it in the description box where you can find the video to this oil guys, in case you want to make the oil. So I'm going to be breaking everything up with a spoon and mixing it together because we are going to be blending this. And after adding up the oil, I'm going to be adding in 1 egg guys. So guys, we are going to be adding 1 egg because the nutrients that are naturally contained in egg are super amazing, because eggs are a nutrient rich hair superfood. It contains vitamin A, vitamin E, biotin and folate. Eggs are very great when it comes to growing the hair and giving it nutrients and bounce. So I'm going to be using the full egg. You can use only the egg yolk. So I'm going to be mixing everything up and blending it, and after blending, this is what it looks like. Alright family, we are done blending and this is what it looks like guys. It looks so yummy and creamy. This is super rich, and actually this DIY protein mask is amazing. In case you want to do a protein mask, this is the right mask for you because it is super great to give your hair that nutrient that it deserves. And also hair masks are rich in nutrients, and depending on the kind of ingredient that you use, because hair mask add moisture, reduce hair breakage and hair damage. So we added moringa powder, which is absolutely optional guys. I just wanted to add in moringa because moringa is actually rich in vitamin A and B. This is optional guys. You can use moringa any other way. My moringa and fenugreek hair butter, I'm going to be leaving it in the link in the description box in case you want to make butter with moringa. So guys, this is my daughter's hair. I'm going to be applying this mask. As you guys can see, her hair is super dry and in need of nutrients and moisture. So guys, I'm going to be applying this mask. Her hair has really improved because don't forget we are doing the 5 months hair growth challenge, and it is remaining 4 months. And the first month which we started the challenge, I pay attention to my daughter's hair, and yeah, my daughter is among the challenge guys. This challenge is not just only for adults, it is also for toddlers guys. Her hair has really improved guys. Maybe I am going to be leaving a clip of what her hair looks like before. So her hair has really improved in the sense that this period I just do a low manipulative hairstyle on her hair. And another thing is that protective hairstyle really works guys. Protective hairstyles are another amazing way to grow your hair, putting your hair in a low manipulative hairstyle and just leaving it alone guys. All you have to do when it is time for you to moisturize it, make sure you moisturize it, and don't let your hair to be begging you to moisturize it before you know you want to moisturize it. Don't let your hair to be overly dry and result in breakage before you know that you will give it the moisture that it needs. Okay, when it's time to moisturize your hair, go ahead to moisturize your hair and put it in a protective style, and just leave it alone. And when it is dry, give it what it needs. This has really helped my daughter, and for the month of September we are going to be doing an intense protective hairstyle whereby we just put our hair in a low manipulative hairstyle. I hope you guys are understanding me. I hope you guys are getting my point. Alright, family, so my point to all of this is that protective styling is actually the best way to grow your hair. Just leaving your hair alone, not manipulating your hair all the time, and putting your hair in a low manipulative hairstyle is the best way to grow your hair. Leave your hair alone, guys, and just you are going to see results. Put your hair in a protective hairstyle. Whenever is your wash day, go ahead to wash your hair, give it the treatment that it needs, moisturize your hair the right time, and then put it in a protective style. Wear a satin bonnet at night. Whenever you want to sleep, protect your hair at night. You're going to see the result. With time, you're definitely going to see the result. So guys, yeah, this is what I have to say. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. And if you find this video helpful, go ahead to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thumbs up for me so that I know that you enjoyed the video. So this is what the mask looks like on my daughter's hair. This mask is absolutely amazing because it reduces hair breakage and hair damage. And I'm going to be leaving a clip, if I can see some clip of what my daughter's hair looks like before. Like before, our hair, I always manipulate it, guys. I always manipulate her hair, but right now I just treat her hair, moisturize her hair, wash her hair often, like once a week. I must wash her hair now and then put it in a protective hairstyle, and then I leave it alone. That is what I do now, and her hair has really seen result. Like her edges are back. Her back hair, her breakage is normally in her crown area, and her edges, the back, especially the back of her hair. The front side, the middle side is okay, but the crown part and the back part is actually the problem. That place is actually very dry, and when you manipulate it too much, it results to breakage, and she will not be able to retain it. I know a lot of people will be passing through this, so just go ahead to treat your hair, moisturize it, put it in a protective hairstyle that that you know that works for you, and then go ahead to leave it alone. Wear satin bonnet and you're going to see changes. Okay, guys, so after about 30 minutes, I'm going to rinse her hair. I went ahead to put plastic bag on her hair, and then I'm going to rinse it off. I actually wash her hair before applying this mask a day before, so you can wash your hair before applying the mask, or apply the mask and then wash your hair, whichever you prefer. I hope I'm not blabbing in this video, and I hope I'm not talking too much, because a lot of you have complained that I normally talk too much. I don't know if that is true. Just let me know in the comment section if I talk too much. So guys, after about 30 minutes or 1 hour, I'm going to go ahead to rinse her hair, then moisturize it and give it the treatment that it needs, and then I will put her hair in a protective hairstyle. Guys, I will show you guys right now.